So, you got a new rack of baby back ribs. You only got a couple hours, you ain't got time to do it low and slow. It's hot and fast, baby. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ken Rogers and we're mostly outdoors. Like I just said, picked up a rack of ribs today, but honestly ain't got time, and to be honest, pretty much the way I cook ribs anymore, most of the time, is hot and fast. So I'm gonna go out back, fire up the kettle, and I'll be back and we'll prep these ribs, get ready to go. Alright guys, as you can see, I put in the charcoal pans in here so we can get some indirect heat on both sides of this. I will put a drip pan in here, but that's strictly to keep it clean. So let's get this thing going, go inside and prep some ribs. Alright folks, this is about as simple as it gets. Nice little rack of ribs here. I have removed the membrane already. I've showed you that in another video. So I'm simply going to go real quick. I'm not doing any mustard, Worcestershire sauce or anything. I'm just simply adding my salt, pepper, garlic, and it's all we're going to season this with. Let's get busy. Get it on the end too. That's it. As soon as this thing gets heated up out here, we're gonna throw it on. Very simple cook tonight, guys. Pan in. Grate on. Lid on. I'm probably a half open on the bottom and maybe a quarter of the way here. I'm shooting for a target temperature of right at 400. I'm gonna go a little bit over that and it will definitely drop back down once the meat is on. See you in a minute. Alright guys, I've settled in at right about 425 degrees, which is gonna drop. So the meat is definitely going on, and I'm gonna put this meat side or rib side up. That about look awesome. I'm gonna do it just for a bit, and I'm gonna come out here in a bit and just turn them over and let them cook normal. But got a couple chunks of cherry we're gonna throw on there. Throw our lid on and let this thing rock and roll. Alright guys, as stated, this is a hot and fast cook. I'm estimating this is going to be right at an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Probably shouldn't be any more than that. I'm going to bring it up to temp, which I'm going to say around 140, 150. And I'm going to come out and wrap it. I will be spritzing it with a little bit of the apple cider vinegar mixed with maybe 50-50 with some apple juice, approximately. You know, it is what it is. But I'll come out, we're gonna wrap it and we're gonna bring it on up to around 200 and make it good and tender. We'll see you here in just a little bit. All right guys, as I said, we are going to flip this over. I'm gonna spritz this first. Got my, get this process going. We haven't been on here very long. Well, maybe 10-15 minutes. I just wanted to get a little rib side up. Now we're going to go ahead and let this thing go till we hit about 140, 150, and then we'll wrap it. Get some good smoke on there. Let's see what we got here. Get me in between the ribs here. Let's do 146, 150. One of these days I'm going to get me a fast thermal pen or something. Yeah, we're right at 160 degrees. I'm gonna get this wrapped up. As you can see, doing a hot and fast like this, even though I've had some hickory smoke in here, I do not have a big, large crust. We're not really going for the crust, but I promise you there's some good hickory smoke flavor in here. Let's get this wrapped up. All right, it's time to get this in the wrap. So steamed up, we're gonna tenderize all of this. I'm not adding anything to this. I am going to spray this down real good and very generous. This apple cider vinegar and apple juice. It's gonna give us a good steam inside here. Should tenderize it up pretty good. I am double wrapping. Alright, back to the fire we go. Guys, we're hitting right about 200 here, 199, 200, 202 over here. I'm going to pull this off the full. I'm going to put a little barbecue glaze on here. We'll take them inside for a taste test. Would you look at that, guys? Whoa, it's hot. Look at that pullback. Got some good pullback all the way around. Let's cut into this, see what it looks like. See if I can get in between the bones here. Right down the middle. Again, we're not going to have a big smoke ring. Hopefully. Oh, that is hot. Some of that bone is just pulling apart. That's actually a little bit more done than what I wanted. Look at there. Juicy. I don't want to touch it too much. Let's plate it up and get a taste of this. Alright guys, just to prove this is edible. I'm promising you it's great. I've done this several times. Let's give this a bite. God, this is not as low and slow cook. You can see there's a hint of smoke ring right here at the edge, and I got a 2-year-old down here playing with a dinosaur. So, but very little smoke ring. There is a great hickory smoke taste in here. Obviously the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce we glazed it with is standing out, but it's just a great pork rib. It's tender, not fall off the bone. Parts of it are, but for the most part it's not fall off the bone, but it's pull off real good. Got a lot of juice in here, a lot of flavor. But it's really a great rib, and it was we were under 2 hours on the whole cook. So, wipe my hands off. Guys, thanks so much for watching. It was fun here. I'm glad to be back doing this, and we're going to be doing more as we go. I don't know what we're cooking. It's just really what we're having for dinner. A lot of it's going to be quick cooks. I think I got a taco coming up. Part of it's going to be outside, part of it inside. So we'll see what's happening. Maybe our next video. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you on the next cook. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.